Imagine creating videos just like this for use in your classroom, assigning them as homework tools, having your students come prepared to class with their own videos. I know it looks difficult, but it's really quite easy. And today, we're going to show you how to do it. Welcome to another Love, Language, and More tutorial with your hosts Jason and Vlad. Today we're at the Animoto homepage where we're going to show you how to turn your photos or video clips and music into fully rendered videos for use with your students in the classroom. So the first thing we need to do here is go to sign up. We're going to use our 30-second video, the light version, and just experiment with Animoto today. Go to try it. Of course, you need to fill in your email address, a password which you need to confirm. You also have to provide your first name and last name and a date of birth. Lastly, you select if you're male or female. We'd also like to remind you that you can use your Facebook account to sign up with Animoto. And Vlad's created his fake birthday here. And then we just click sign up. After signing up, you'll be brought here to the Create Video homepage. And here you can choose from the different style for your video. There's a whole bunch of styles which Animoto provides, some of which are only allowed to those users who have paid for a pro version or a paid version of Animoto. Today we're going to use a wonderland of snow for our video. And we're going to select a 30-second video. You can see this link below purchase video. So here on the left, you can see the toolbar provided. You can change your style, select music, add pictures and videos, or add text. Now the first thing we're going to do is upload some pictures. Now, if you can imagine a classroom scenario in which you've assigned your students maybe the task of creating a video showing them or the rest of the class what their most recent holiday was like. You could then have them upload photos from that holiday, and that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to go ahead and retrieve photos, or you can upload photos from your computer. Now to select those photos, you can retrieve them from your computer. You can retrieve them from an online account like Facebook, or you could retrieve them from Instagram, Flickr, Picasa, or other online photo services. You can also choose some stock photos from Animoto if that's what you'd like to do. But we're going to retrieve ours today from Picasa. So Vlad's going to gain access to his Picasa account and choose one of the albums. And he's got Sylvester selected. So this is going to generate those photos from that album. And you can see there are quite a few. Now Vlad's going to now just decide which photos best tell a story of his holiday, and he can select which ones he'd like to appear in the video. You can see him removing them from the stream, and he can move them back up. You can rearrange them when they're up there. You can put other photos to the front or to the back, and he's just going to continue searching for the most appropriate pictures to tell a story about his most recent holiday. Again, this is a great way for your students to interact with different forms of multimedia and present stories of their lives to the class and share stuff with their students, other students. Now the next thing we want to do is just select some music maybe for the background here. And Animoto has a great music library from which to select. Of course you can also upload your own music if you'd like. You can see their music is pretty vast, their library that is. Why don't we go ahead and just choose Vivaldi's Four Seasons Spring. If you want, you can also go to the top right hand corner and select advanced settings. You can title your video. Fill out the rest of the information if you wanted to. You can also add text. We're going to skip that today, and we're just going to select produce video. This will save your project, and in the meantime Animoto will render your video. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes, so just be a little patient. You can of course stay on this page, or you can navigate away from it, and Animoto will email you when it's finished. And here you are, my last trip to the mountains. Vlad's gonna select play, and Vivaldi's gonna play. You can see how Animoto brings together stunning visual images of your photos with interesting animated storylines and styles. And that's it, folks. We'd like to remind you that you can share your video and your creations on different social networks like Facebook and Twitter. You can of course download your video, remix it later, and delete it if you need to. But that's all there is to Animoto, a quick and easy way to engage your students with new multimedia and have them share stories in the classroom. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and we certainly look forward to seeing your students' videos online soon.